Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Google Pay and your phone OS are updated and that your bank account is active. Once done, check the bank's server status or outage notices and note any error code you see. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable, then enable app logging or diagnostics so you capture the failure details. This lets you move from guessing to targeted fixes and helps when you later contact bank support or Google Pay. Next, clear Google Pay's cache and, if needed, app data, then restart your phone to reset transient network or permission issues. After reboot, remove the card and re-add it so the system creates a fresh token. This often resolves server handshake failures. While you do that, verify permissions. NFC, location, and background data must be allowed. If the bank requires a one-time SMS or app verification, complete it now. These steps handle most mid-process failures by rebuilding the payment link. To finish, perform a small test transaction, such as $1, and confirm it clears. This proves end-to-end connectivity. If it fails, gather the error code, timestamps, and app logs, then contact your bank's support so they can check server-side sessions. Once done, make sure to retry after any server fix. Troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, reinstall Google Pay or try registering the card on another device to determine whether the problem is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.